Good morning, students. I am NIVEDITA SINGH of Marwadi College English Department. Today, I am going to take your online classes for elective English, that is of 100 marks. As in previous video, we have started the textbook Clascodian with the section 3 non-friction. Lesson number 1. We will continue with the chapter Freedom by G.B. Shaw and finish it today. Class 12 Elective English Textbook Clascodian Kaleidoscope Section 3 Non-Friction Lesson number 1 Freedom by G.B. Shaw. Here G.B. Shaw describes about freedom, how freedom is misused and how people illusion about freedom and chivalry, how people accept it with their own will. So author describes how freedom is away from the reach of common people, freedom is also away from the reach of ruling class, and the author's perplexions. Here he says that idolatry of civil slave class and the arrogance of the master class are themselves entirely artificial products of education and of a propaganda that plays upon our infants long before they have left their cradles. Nature also restricts freedom. In case industrialization is developed so large as no land is left for growing food grains, it would bring chaotic situation, and even prior to such plan made, it shall be opposed by people even at the planning stage. Hence, freedom is again cut short here. It is nature that stands in the way to freedom. If man does excess with the natural resources, tsunami, earthquake, global warming are like sparks of nature's fury. Hence, we can say that nature also restricts freedom. The author says it is just folly to seek for freedom because nothing like that assumption is in existence. We should therefore give up the hope for enjoyment of freedom. It's nature that orders you to do certain things and it will kill you if you do not do them. The author says freedom is restricted by laws of the land enforced by the police who obliged you to do this and not to do that. He finally says that man is bound to abide by nature's laws, hence here he can never enjoy freedom. It is a system of living with all varieties, types of organisms constituting ecosystem with the sacrosanct spirit of peaceful coexistence. We are all free only when well read to laws of the land, laws of the courts, canons of society, and duly possess cosmos consciousness. Here we have concluded and finished the chapter Freedom. Lesson number 1, Freedom, is completed today. We will continue with our next chapter in our next video.